नमस्कार दोस्तों, आप सभी का स्वागत है। आज हम करेंगे एक्सरसाइज 10 की आउटलाइन। द रेस्पोंडेंट ऐसे भी लिखते हैं, शॉर्ट में अपने ऐसे लिखेंगे, रेस्पोंडेंट हु वॉज एम्प्लॉयड एज अ टीचर या एज ए टीचर अंडर द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ हरियाणा claimed advance increment in terms of Punjab government memo dated 1st September 1960. The Director of Secondary Education, Haryana, rejected the claim on the premise that in term of Rule 10th of the Punjab Education Service Class 3rd School Cadre Rules 195, the pay scales of the teachers were subject, फिक्स साइन होता है, to variation from time to time, f half m half, दूसरा में पूरा from time to time, and since the state of हरियाणा ऐसे भी लिख देते हैं, नहीं तो स्टेट ऑफ हरियाणा पूरा लिखोगे। रिवाइज्ड द पे स्केल्स ऑफ वेरियस कैटेगरीज ऑफ टीचर विद इफेक्ट फ्रॉम होता है, विद इफेक्ट फ्रॉम 1st December 1967, मेमो डेटेड 1st September 1960, स्टूड लाइन कट के, superseded. He also observed that higher start of pay with advance increments for postgraduate qualifications was provided only to masters or mistresses and not to other categories of teachers. The High Court allowed writ petitions and directed that the respondent be given advance increments in the terms of the Punjab government memo and the letter of the government of Haryana. Aggrieved, the state of Haryana filed the appeal. The teachers employed under the government of Haryana could claim benefit of the higher pay scales, advance, increments, etc. in terms of the policies decision taken by the government of undivided Punjab and instruction issued by it only above the line रहेगा till the line कट के revision line काट के of their pay scales of the teachers employed under the government of Haryana was considered हाफ रहेगा ये हाफ ही रहेगा पूरा नहीं आएगा was considered by the education of the commission which is also known as Kothari Commission. The recommendation made by that commission were accepted by the President of India and were implemented या लाइन के नीचे बनाओगे तो implemented by the state government with effected from 1st December 1967. 1967. After revision of the pay scales of various categories, इकट्ठा ही लिख देना, various categories of teachers, the government of Haryana servants who improved their qualifications by undertaking further studies within the country and abroad. Further, by letter, all the existing instructions were superseded and fresh instructions were issued on the subject. However, the decisions contained in letter and other related communications were withdrawn by the state government of Haryana. स्टेट गवर्नमेंट ही हरियाणा इसमें नहीं नीचे वाली में स्टेट गवर्नमेंट बाय देयर लेटर द हाई कोर्ट इरेड दोनों जगह ये लगेगा डॉट दो लगेंगे इन एक्सेप्टिंग the plea of the respondents that revision of the pay scales of teachers with the retrospective date did not result in automatic supersession इसमें बना के यहीं से आपको शन जोड़ना पड़े सेशन ऑफ द एग्जिस्टिंग पॉलिसी डिसीजंस। दोस्तों ये एक्सरसाइज 10 की आउटलाइन थी। यदि कुछ समझ में ना आए तो आप कमेंट करके पूछ सकते हैं। इसी तरह की डिक्टेशंस की आउटलाइन प्राप्त करने के लिए आप हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें तथा वीडियो को लाइक एवं शेयर करें। धन्यवाद।